Investing feels useless at first. I know exactly how that feels. You try things, read articles, watch videos, and it all seems overwhelming. You feel stuck, frustrated, and sometimes you wonder, why even bother? That's why I decided to put myself to the test. I tried 5 passive income hacks that cost $0 for 30 days straight, and only one actually made me money. Now, I know what you're thinking, free passive income. That's impossible. I thought the same thing. But here's the thing, most people give up before they even see results. The first hack I tested was Cashback and micro-investing apps. Simple stuff. You make everyday purchases, get some rewards, and those rewards turn into real money. I used a couple of popular apps, shopped like normal, and after 30 days, I made about $12. Not life-changing, but it was a start. It was proof that $0 effort can still move the needle. The second hack I tried was creating AI-generated content and selling small digital templates online. Honestly, I was skeptical. I didn't think anyone would buy them. But I decided to give it a shot. I spent just 1 hour designing a few templates, set them up on a free platform, and after 1 week, I made $48. That shocked me. Suddenly, I realized that the tools we all have access to, AI, free platforms, online marketplaces, can actually create real income if you use them right. Hack number 3 was peer-to-peer lending at a micro scale. I joined a few platforms that allowed me to lend very small amounts with zero risk. I didn't expect much, and indeed, after a month, I earned $5. Tiny, yes, but it felt tangible. That small win reinforced a huge lesson. Even the smallest steps count. Passive income doesn't always hit you like a lightning bolt. It often starts tiny and grows if you stick with it. The fourth hack was selling digital assets like graphics, templates, and small design packs. I had high hopes for this one. After all, digital products are popular. But in practice, it flopped. 7 days of effort and zero earnings. It was frustrating. Honestly, at that moment, I felt stuck again. And that's the reality of passive income. Not everything works, and failure is part of the process. But here's where most people quit. I didn't. Finally, hack number 5, referral bonuses and free sign-up tools. This one blew the others out of the water. I spent almost no time, $0, and after 30 days, I earned $72. That moment was incredible because it proved something important. You don't need money to start. You need the right strategies, patience, and persistence. Most $0 passive income ideas feel useless at first. That's normal. That's part of the test. But if you stick with the right ones, you will see results. Here's what I want you to take away. You don't need more money to start building passive income. You need the right mindset, experimentation, and consistency. Stop falling for flashy promises, stop giving up too early, and focus on strategies that actually work. Test, track, and adjust. And here's the kicker. If you're willing to put in the effort for even a few minutes a day, these small wins can grow into something significant over time. $12, $48, $72 might seem small, but multiply that over months or years with the right methods, and it becomes life-changing. If you want, I can do an even bigger experiment next month, testing 10 more passive income hacks, comparing which ones scale the fastest, and showing you all the real numbers. Comment below which hack you want me to test next. Maybe the AI content hack, maybe referral hacks, maybe something totally new. Your suggestion could be the next video that actually makes us both money. Remember, investing and passive income feel useless at first. That's normal. But if you keep testing, keep experimenting, and don't give up, the results will come. And honestly, That's how wealth is built in 2026, with smart experiments, not just luck or money. So if you're stuck, broke, or frustrated, you're not alone. Try one of these hacks today, test it yourself, and see what happens. Even a $0 start can turn into real earnings if you actually stick with it. And if you enjoyed this experiment, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world passive income experiments, and comment which hack I should test next. Let's build wealth the smart way, together.